It's your girl, Queen of Hearts. I'm over here at the Community Center in Lake Alfred, Florida. Today is Friday, January the 31st, 2021. The party is scheduled for tomorrow, January the 1st, 2022, for a 1-year birthday party. This is the before, because y'all know I like to show y'all the building transitions. And before we transform this into a beautiful oasis, I'll let you see first what it looked like in here. To be continued. Love y'all. This Queen of Hearts with Ambitious Diva ENT. Love y'all. Howdy. Following CDC guidelines, sanitizing everything, sterilizing and making sure it's good before the guests come here. Mopping the floor, bleaching it down. Yeah, that's what we do at Ambitious DNT to make sure our guests are well protected. This is part 2 of phase 2. After we have sanitized everything and wiped it down, we have the sashes on the chairs. This area isn't gonna be completed until tomorrow. Today is Friday, January 31st. This is part 2 of the transition. Part two of the building transition. We're gonna transform it into a beautiful oasis for this little one's first birthday party. This is phase 2 of our transition. Watch and see what I see. Stay tuned. We're ready to show y'all the final walkthrough. This is the aftermath right here. Final transition. Oi.